The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Okay, welcome to this webinar today. I want again just record the first steps in Netobjects that you are able to build a homepage. Yeah, you have to download the software at netobjects.com. And there you find the download button, and there you can download Netobjects Essentials, and just download it. It's for free, and install it. And once you install it, you can open it, and then you have this starting screen here. Here you can see the sites you created, and we will create a new site now. So we click on blank site. We have to name it, so we say webinar today. And then we come here to the structure. The structure you can see here is like a tree, so you can just add new pages on one level, and then when you click on another you can add more. You have to rename it, so we'll take a forum, we'll take legal notice, we'll make links, and we make who we are. Here you can see the property windows, and important is that at page title you add something more than just the page name, because this page title is shown here in the top and at the start bar. So when it's just called forum, it's not looking very good. So you should maybe add your team name or your company name, so that the user knows on which page he is. Okay, so you can just by drag and drop change this structure. It's very easy, as you can see. So no problem. After we created a structure, we'll go to style. There we have different styles to choose, and we want to make our own one because this one is not very modern, so we want to create a more modern one. And to do this, we have to make a double click on this graphics here. We have graphics and text, and first we want to change the graphics, so we just make a double click, and then we get a message that this style is not editable, but we can create a new style, and that's what we want to do, and we call it webinar. And then we can make a double click and open our own file. So what I want to do is here I made a new banner, and now I want that the text is here at this black line, so I make it left, and I increase the offset until I like it. Okay, so now it's looking good. And now I do the same thing here with the navigation buttons. Just double click, and then I can add my own ones. Now I have to change the color of the text to black, and here again change it to black, or maybe I choose blue, that I can see that it's highlighted. And maybe I make it regular, that I can see a difference. Okay, here's another, I made another graphic which is orange and white. So again I make it blue, and I make it regular. Okay, so now we have wonderful navigation bar. The next thing is that we don't want this background image here, we just want the white background, so we choose here the background properties non-image, and then we make the second bar flag, and we'll change the size and make it a little bit, yeah, can make it smaller, so we make this one bigger to 10. Okay, so now we created our own style. We can also yeah, change the style sheets, but I use the one here. But yeah, changing them is just click on it, and then you can here click on format and change everything. So now at the end we have to set the style that it belongs to our home page. And when we now go click here on page, we'll see our, yeah, that the style is used. Now we have 3 windows here. One is the site navigation, where we can choose between the different sites we want to create. Here we have our properties, very important window. If you lose them, you can yeah, click here in the left corner, left bottom is other windows again. Okay, and the last one is the object tree. Here are all the objects we want to use. Okay, first of all we want to have another navigation bar, because yeah, I don't like this one. We want to make a vertical one and our own one. So this layout window here is the part which is changing from side to side, and the master border here around is the same, and there's just changing the name here in the banner, and of course the, yeah, marked or highlighted button depending on which side I am at the moment. Okay, so I just erase this one with delete, and I click here on button navigation bar to create a new one. Depending if I, yeah, make it more horizontal or more vertical, I get my navigation. So I make a vertical, horizontal one, and if I want to change it after I created one, I can change it here. So very easy. Okay, what I don't want to have in the navigation bar here is my legal notice. So I customize it, and I just click here on custom and edit custom, and then I can add the one I want to have here. So that's it. Okay, yeah, to add text, I just have to click here and write a text. Hello, welcome to our homepage. And then I can, when I mark the text, I can use the style sheets, for example, a heading. And then I can, yeah, click the next line. This is our team's website. And then I, yeah, choose another style sheet than normal text. I can also add pictures. Just for example, our national team trainer. This picture I can change the size, and yeah, just use the mouse, and then you have to stretch it here to change the size. But I would, the best thing is that you change the size of the picture to the size you wanted with another program, because otherwise it's just, yeah, you need too much data if you have saved a big picture and you just need a little one.